Well, hello there, folks. I hope you've been enjoying the Maker Fair so far. Well, next up, we've got a little entrepreneur. 13-year-old Gabi has started her own business called Gabi's Goodies for Good. She's a baker who bakes up some great things to eat, all while helping her community. She's going to talk about the organizations that she gives away her profits to charity to, and a little bit about her business now. So take it away, Gabi. Let's hear what you've got to say.
Hey everybody, my name is Gabi Sprague. I'm 13 years old and I have a baking business called Gabi's Goodies for Good, where I bake different treats and donate all of the profits to charity. The reason I started my baking business is because I saw my baking idol, Duff Goldman, talking about how you can help out with No Kid Hungry and donating, and I really wanted to help out people, and so that's kind of how I started my baking business. My favorite part about my baking business would probably be when I donate the money just to see how happy the people are to be getting the money they need to, or the resources they need to help them, because different charities I donate to are like the wildfires that happened in California, and it was nice just to see, like, knowing that the money that you donate is getting put to good use, and so that's kind of nice to see. And then I also really like meeting different types of people, because I met a lot of really nice people along the way, so those are probably my favorite parts. And so the different types of charities that I really like to donate to are different animal charities or foundations, like the SPCA's, and Mary's Dogs is one of my favorite ones to donate to. There's this really great animal shelter where they rescue dogs at our Inco shelters and bring them to really great homes. And I also donate to Grand State Dog Recovery, which helps find lost dogs, and a lot of animal ones, and also No Kid Hungry and 68 Hours of Hunger, which is ending child hunger in America or New Hampshire or your specific region, and also helping people with different wildfires. And so over the course of 3.5, 4 years, I've donated a little over $6,000. So for my advice for you guys, if you guys want to start your own businesses or try to help people out like what I'm doing, is to really do what your heart says, because I love to bake and I also really like to donate money and help people out. And so to just find like a good combination, so it's not like a job, because for me I guess it is technically a job, but it doesn't really feel like one. Like, really do what makes you happy and what you love, and just really stick true to yourself, I guess. Some of my favorite highlights from my baking business is one of them was when I went down to the New England Center and Home for Homeless Veterans, was when I got to see the different veterans in the facilities, and I got to do like a small tour of the place and just meet some pretty cool people there. And where I wasn't allowed to meet some veterans because of safety precautions, it was just really cool to see them. And another highlight of mine is going to the Adam Ezra Group's Ramble. In the first year I donated a little over $500 to homeless veterans, and then the second year I donated exactly $1,000 to homeless veterans. I just thought it was really great. I was so excited to be able to raise that much money, because that's approximately the amount of money to get one veteran off the streets and into housing of some sort or another. And then one of my other favorite memories, the last one I'll say, is one of my teacher's daughters has cerebral palsy, and so she had to get this really big surgery, and there were a lot of fundraisers so that she was able to get it. And so I got to meet her daughter, and she was just so nice. We gave them Gabi's Goodie shirts and hats, and it was just so nice to see them. They were just so happy, so that was really fun. So, yeah. So I'm so excited to be part of the Makers Fair this year. I haven't really known about it, and so it was really great that we were reached out to and asked to be participants of it. And so it was really fun. I hope you guys stay really safe, really healthy. Remember to wash your hands and still practice social distancing. It's still important. And I hope you all have a really great day. Thank you. Bye.